Hi, this is Evan from Digital Team Coach. I love seeing teams that perform well together. I love being in teams that perform well together. There are so many aspects that make up the dynamic of a team. When you have good communication, really strong collaboration, when you've got a clear vision, when there is purpose, when there is good, strong culture, and valuing each member within the team. These are really important aspects for good teamwork. You also need to have good strategy and tools in place to support the team to win. And when you've got good teams, they function well, they get a lot done, and they do it really, really well. And this is my heartbeat. This is what I want for your church and for your organization. So I'm going to be running a half-day mastermind workshop. It's going to be really, really practical to help you and your organization to put really good systems and processes in place for your internal communication. We are going to prepare a roadmap and a strategy to be able to roll it out for your staff, for your volunteers. And we are going to design workflows using these systems, again, to support your team and the way that it operates, the way it functions in your context, with the culture and the people you have in place to be able to support your areas of ministry. So if you want to be improving the way that your team works together, the way that you communicate and collaborate online, then this half-day mastermind is for you. I'd love to join you and work with you. So please register below, and I look forward to seeing you there.